It all started when the group allegedly broke into a home on Panorama Crescent at Prince Henry Heights around 5:30 a.m. yesterday and stole a blue Subaru Impreza. Police will allege that the car was next spotted in Allara in the Southern Downs 10 hours later. Officers deployed tyre spikes before tracking the vehicle across Toowoomba with the help of Pol Air. News of the chase travelled fast on social media. A local resident claimed, "The Subaru nearly ran me off the road coming into Drayton." Another said, "I think it was the Subaru came flying down my street, followed by 5 police cars behind them." The vehicle was found abandoned on Watt Street at Drayton around 5 p.m. The occupants fled on foot. They were tracked down by officers and arrested a short time later. One of the offenders faced court today. He was remanded in custody and his matter was adjourned until tomorrow. Investigations remain ongoing and anyone with dashcam or CCTV is urged to come forward.